Today we have a quick review on the XYZ Printer Pro. I haven't done a 3D printer review in a while. This is what I've been using now for over a year. It's actually quite good. For a medium-priced 3D printer, it's quite good. You'll notice here that I basically use blue tape for my build plate. It works very well. It comes with the 3D printer software. And I basically pretty much just use that software when I'm printing. I get a lot of stuff down from Thingiverse, and I may modify some of the tools using Tinkercad, but that's pretty much my whole environment. It has, one of the reasons I purchased this is that it had the automatic bed leveling, which works well. There's 3 screws, there's 2 in the back and 1 in the front, and it will go through a leveling process with you. However, it can take some time before it actually gets a level. There are some people that use the old paper test, but I do find that this does give a good level, but you have to be patient when it's doing it because there's a lot of to and froing on the screws in order to get it to level. But when it levels, it's very, very good. It's a heated aluminum build plate, works very good. It uses its own cartridges, and I tend to, this is an open filament printer, but I tend to use the cartridges. I really like the cartridge method that comes with the XYZ printer. A couple of reasons. It always measures, it always has the number of feet left on the filament, and it also has it also keeps it fresh in this canister, so it's easy to install in the top, feed the filament through, and it has enough sensors so that when you feed the filament through, it can tell you when it's fed through. So it's actually kind of very nice that way as far as loading the filaments. And like I said, I really like the cartridges because it does a good job. What else do I like about the printer? You can change the print head, and you can put on the engraver if you wish. I never did do that. I find taking the print head off cumbersome, and then you have to re-level the bed for 3D printing again, which can take a long time. But when you level the bed, normally it'll last for a month before it goes out of control. The settings, the utilities include the standard home, change cartridges, jog mode, calibration, that's what you use for calibrating the print bed, and change the nozzles, and clean the nozzle, which I really like. It heats up the nozzle, and then it gives you some really nice tools for cleaning out the nozzle. All in all, a very good workhorse. I would recommend this as a medium value printer. If you're starting out, I would really look at this for starting out because it does have the cartridges and the open filament. So if you wanted to try some fancier filament, you could still use it without using the cartridge. So it gives you that flexibility. And it will do most of your medium print jobs. You just have to be cautious about the bed leveling and being patient when you do that. And finally, I should mention that the Wi-Fi connectivity on this printer is rock solid. I never had a problem connecting to this printer. It would discover it without all the mumbo jumbo needed for some other devices. So that's really a handy feature that I use all the time. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this video on the XYZ Printer Pro. And please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And visit me on my other channel, 250 RC, which now primarily deals with RC hobby stuff. So anyway, we'll see you next time at Emerald Meadows, and bye-bye for now.